Welcome back to my channel. Our hands and feet do so much for us every day, yet we often neglect their care. But it's time we give them the attention they deserve. So grab your favorite lotion and join me as we embark on this journey to pamper ourselves from head to toe. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why hand and foot care is so important. Our hands and feet are constantly exposed to the elements, whether it's harsh chemicals while cleaning or the friction from our shoes. Neglecting their care can lead to a host of issues, from dry skin to painful infections. By incorporating simple yet effective care routines into our daily lives, we can keep our hands and feet healthy and happy. Let's start with hand care. Our hands are our primary tools for interacting with the world, so it's essential to keep them in top condition. First things first, regular hand washing is non-negotiable. Keep those hands clean and germ-free by washing them with a gentle, moisturizing soap and warm water. And remember, lukewarm water is your best friend to avoid stripping away those natural oils. Paying extra attention to the spaces between your fingers. Exfoliation isn't just for your face. Treat your hands to a luxurious scrub session to slow away dead skin cells and reveal the baby's soft skin underneath. Treat yourself to a luxurious hand scrub, or whip up your own using ingredients like sugar and coconut oil. Now, I know we can't always access soap and water, especially when we're on the go. That's where hand sanitizer swoops in to save the day. Keep a trusty bottle of sanitizer handy, pun intended, to zap those germs away. But remember not to overdo it to avoid dry, cracked skin. It's time to moisturize. Choose a hydrating hand cream enriched with nourishing ingredients like shea butter or vitamin E. Massage it into your hands, focusing on areas prone to dryness like the knuckles and cuticles. And let's not forget about nail care. Keep your nails clean and trimmed to prevent dirt buildup and potential infections. Treat yourself to a relaxing manicure at home or book a professional treatment for that extra pampering. Now on to foot care. Our feet carry us through life's adventures, so it's time we show them some serious appreciation. Start by treating your feet to a soothing soak. Add a few drops of essential oils or Epsom salts to warm water, and let your feet soak for 10 to 15 minutes to soften calluses and relax tired muscles. Not forget about exfoliation. Say goodbye to rough, callous skin with a gentle foot scrub or pumice stone. Buff away those dead skin cells to reveal the soft, smooth skin hiding underneath. After exfoliating, slather on a rich foot cream to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and supple. Don't forget to pay attention to your heels, which are prone to cracking and dryness. Lastly, invest in proper footwear to support your feet throughout the day. Look for shoes with ample cushioning and arch support, and rotate your footwear to prevent excessive wear and tear. Achieving soft and healthy hands and feet is not just about aesthetics. It's about caring for ourselves from the inside out. By incorporating these simple yet effective routines into our daily lives, we can show our extremities the love and attention they deserve. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on self-care and all things beauty. And don't forget to share your own hand and foot care secrets in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.